Have you ever wondered why the utility companies tell you to hand dig within 2 feet on either side of the utility marking? Well, I'll show you. So we, with our drainage systems, put in tracer wire. This is so we can find the wire, find the pipe later. And this is for future owners of the house and the existing owners, because you definitely know where it is right now, but you definitely will forget exactly where it is, or kind of in the general ballpark. So what we do, we put tracer wire so you can energize it and find it. But this is why, like on a gas line, for instance, you'll have a marking, and the marking may not be exactly where the pipe is. This is kind of like how a gas line is installed. It's much deeper and actually about the same width. But you see our pipe is right here. It's taking this corner, and depending on how this wire is installed, it's going to hug the trench. So right here, the wire is 8 inches away from the pipe. So these tracer wires, especially for gas lines, are a ballpark, because the trench, when they dig it, is about 2 feet wide, and it could be 2 feet in any direction. That's why they say 2 feet. So if you didn't know, now you know. And by the way, if you're installing a drainage system in your yard, spend a little extra and get tracer wire. You'll be very thankful for it one day, hopefully, or at least people in the future will. And I recommend getting copper line, not aluminum. Copper won't corrode apart on you, and aluminum will. So this way, our system will always be able to be located. We put downspouts under the driveway over there, the drive, and we ran the lines that direction. So you may wonder how you do the tracer wire and get it when it branches off into different spots. So right here we have a 3-way line. We still haven't run our other pipe over here, but it runs that direction at a 45 degree. Over to that corner we have double wall pipe there. And you see what we did, just tapped into it. We just stripped it, connected them, just like electrical in the house, and put a wire nut. Doesn't need to be waterproof. This is gonna be a French drain, so it'll drain really well. But because we use copper line, doesn't need to be waterproof. It's not energized. All we do, and when you want to find your line down the road, you get a locator on Amazon, you get a little wire break detector. You connect to that, it'll put a signal through the entire line, and you'll run through and you'll be able to see exactly where your line is.